Good morning. The game plan for the day is to head back towards Andorra and try to find the man on the mountain. I can't remember what his name is. Something with Rock, no K. And then maybe do the roller coaster down the mountain and just overall enjoy where we're at right now. The sun is about ready to come up and it's absolutely beautiful here in Axel Therm. Flaky goodness. Yeah. How do I live without you? I want to know. How do I live without you? I'll never go. We are trying to find the post office to go send out our postcards, and we got a little bit lost and sidetracked because we found an impromptu market. Yes. Which I don't know where it's at now.
Oh, we should have gone that way.
Yeah, we gotta go this way. We're so lost, but it's a beautiful morning here, and the town is coming alive. It's beautiful. There's our car. The blue one.
Parked perfectly.
Yeah, I never had to back up and try it again. Found the market. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Is that divinity?
No,
We could buy a fucking knife.
Et pour le faire, du coup, il a fallu 3 mois.
Oh, wow. See, that's what I expected.
look at these. They're as big as my hand.
Yeah. And look at the color on the muscles.
Yeah. Way different. You know, look at, I mean, beautiful.
C'est magnifique. Beautiful.
Look at they're beautiful.
Bonjour. Just a little dyslexic.
Here we go. We're going to the chapel.
What is going on? Who knows? Who knows? But we're gonna hoof it.
Hoofing.
Germans. It's saying go this way. That makes sense. So we just hike up this hill. Whew. It's beautiful. Watch, some angry Frenchman's gonna come out and yell at us for trespassing. We're lost. We're lost in a French town on a hill. Doing a hike. But it's really pretty. We can do it.
I believe in you. I believe in you.
Yeah, I might have picked the wrong hill. Yeah, I may have picked the wrong hill.
Yep, there's nothing up here.
Damn it! Okay.
It's literally the next hill over. Right here.
Fuck.
Yeah.
So that's where.
Really, once you see them inside, you don't. The whole point of it is to see it.
Yeah. So like this is perfect.
But when you walk right up to it,
You don't get to have the entire thing in your.
yeah, then you're almost too close.
Now we get to try and figure out the fuel here. Because they have different colors at these. We've got a yellow, a blue, a green. We're gonna try and figure it out. Oh, yeah, it is.
He doesn't find us as
at the Mirador del Roc. We talked to the gal at the tourist shop, what, yesterday? Here in Andorra, and asked her about the statue, and she said that you had to take a bus up the mountain, which thankfully we just chanced it and we drove up here. There's a big parking lot.
Lots of spaces to park.
Yeah, lots of spaces to park. On the way up here, there were a lot of people parked on the side of the road and hiking, and it was like 3 miles down still. So don't get deceived, come all the way up. So I will show you. Holy cow, I'm out of breath.
Yeah, the elevation has got to be, I think they said 720 meters where we were before.
Oh God.
So this is probably not
Super high, so a little bit thin up here, but we're gonna check it out. Oh, and the switchbacks. If you get car sick easily, this will be a tough one. Take some Dramamine. There's a nice little cafe up here. If you're hungry, said that there were public water closets. So if you have to pee, if you're hungry, or if you have to pee, or you're thirsty for a beer,
Or you want an helado?
or
A little ice cream cornetto?
yeah, have an ice cream. You gonna pick those feet up?
I was really excited about the rocks. And I was like, oh!
Okay, it's €5. Okay.
It's not cash only. Oh, it is cash only.
Fuck.
That
Dang it.
everybody's just turning around.
We've come all the way down here to do this, and according to this sign, it's €5 a person. You cannot use a card. Dang it. I do like all the little alleys here.
Yeah, me too.
So we are doing Halloween in Barcelona.
Yes.
Barcelona. And we're going to the market for dinner. And then I think we're gonna go to the sex museum.
Royal cover and then we can sell the bank after. Oh wow.
Or just give me. Yeah!
Wow.
Eva, to the right. More.
This is so cool.
Oh yeah. But they also have like
this?
that's potato with pulled pork, that's potato with bacon.
That looks so good. Yes. Whoa, we just found like the world's biggest kiwis. They're like bull testicles. To the sex museum!